Hello my friends and welcome to my next YouTube tutorial. What I do today is I show you how to make a splashy screen. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do is we need to import our images. So first what we're going to do, I show you right now, all we have is our launcher, our icon in our folders. So what we're going to do is we're going to import our uh, our splash screen logo. Okay, and to do that, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to open up a couple folders. First off, when you initially, I didn't show you this in the last one, when you initially uh, launch the program, it's going to ask you where you want to set up your workspace. Okay, wherever you set up that workspace on your computer is where you're going to need to navigate to. So in one folder I have up uh, my logo and my splash screen logo, my application logo and splash screen logo. Okay, another one I have my where my workspace is located. Okay, and I'm going to open up Firefly. All right, and a res, and we're going to stick this into the HDPI folder. Okay, we have this, but we want both of these in there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, paste them in. All right, bada boom, bada boom. Okay, all right. So now, uh, what we're going to do is come back and see if they're in here. They're not. If you notice, they're not in here. And what we have to do to get them in there is we have to actually need to clean our project. We need to scrub it. So we go to Project, Clean. Okay, and okay. Now you notice we have the two images in our HDPI folder, a drawable HDPI folder. Okay, so uh, now what we need to do is set up the XML file for this. So we're going to come down to layout. We're going to right click, go to new, Android XML. Okay, I'm going to use a relative layout. Okay, and we're gonna name this splat. Now, I'm sorry. Another thing, your any file inside of the res folder should be lowercase. If not, it can definitely cause some issues. So we're going to name this splash.xml. Okay, finish. All right. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to come and we're going to just put it as the background. Okay, there's a couple ways you can do that. You can come over here, click background, go to drawable. Okay, select this, click OK. That definitely does it. Or you can go and work in the actual code. And to do that, to set as the background, the page background, you don't really need to add anything in here. What you need to do is add into the top relative layout Android colon background. You can pre-fill by hitting enter when you see it appearing. But at drawable forward slash and then the name of your file. So mine is logo capsa logo capsa. Now you come back to the graphic screen and it's broke down. Okay, so what did I do? I spelled something wrong. Okay, yeah, see, I forgot to put the B capsa. Okay, so now come here and bada bing, bada boom. So we have our XML splash screen all set. Okay, now what we're going to do is the next screen we're going to set up is the main activity. We're just going to save this by hitting Control S. Open up the main activity, and we're going to get rid of that hello world. Okay, we're going to just put in a image view right here, and we're going to put in Firefad. Okay, we're going to put him right here. But that yes, that should be about good. Okay, So this is gonna be our main activity right here. Okay, so we have our main activity and our splash activity all set to go. This initial setup is I think all we're going to do for today. What the next portion of this, I'm actually going to show you the Java coding. It's not very much, but it's a little, and some of it you definitely won't understand. Some of it nobody understands except for Java himself. Okay, so stay tuned, keep your eyes out, and come again.